Sprinter keys and door locks, what a pain. A lot of you are familiar with this. You hit the button and the doors lock and unlock again right away. So this bottom button is for your passenger doors, basically everything except the driver's door. Top button is supposed to be for every lock, including the driver's door. So let's hit that, let's verify that real quick. We'll hit the bottom button here. Looking at the driver's door, nothing happens. But it does lock all the other doors. Now if I hit the top button, every door locks. Most of us have figured out one time or another that if you just push on a door handle, they all close. So if the doors lock and then unlock again real quick, that's because one of your doors isn't signaling that it's locked. What most of us have found a way to work around this is you lock it, wait for it to unlock, and then lock it again right away, and then they will stay locked. Now at this point you want to walk around the outside of the van and see what door is not locked. That's obviously going to be your problem, the one that's not reporting locked, if there is one that's not locked. Now you might find that all the doors are locked, so to figure out which door isn't reporting locked, we'll go door to door and push the handle in. Now, if it didn't lock the driver's door, that'll be the one that's not reporting locked. Oh, unlock them all. And go back here and push on the sliding door handle. Ah, my sliding door handle isn't reporting as locked. That must be the reason that light is still blinking. That should, when I push that closed, it should lock all the doors in the van, but it doesn't. That does. So there are little brass contacts right here in the door. I'll take some sandpaper and shine those up a little bit. Back here. Contacts in the back door as well. I think these are mostly for the tag lights, but because there's no lock and latch mechanism in this door. But while we're cleaning contacts, we might as well clean these too. Window defrosters and license plate lights. So this is what it should look like with all the contacts cleaned up and all the doors closed. If I open a door, driver's door, that blinks. Any other door and the other light will blink, the down arrow will blink. So now, when we lock the doors, they stay locked. Unlock the doors. Well, we unlocked all but the driver's door there. You can lock them again, unlock all the doors. Going to the button on the fob, these fobs take two, what size battery is that? C2025. There's a C2032 battery that a lot of people jam in there, put two of those in there. It works, it's the right voltage, but the batteries are too fat and the fob won't stay together. So C025 is the number you want in there. Then when we hit the lock button, doors all lock and the dash confirms. If we hit the lock button again, it just confirms. It tries to lock and confirms. Unlock button, blinks once, and unlocks only the driver's door. unlock again, nothing happens. Got to hit that unlock twice consecutively in order to unlock the other doors. So with the fob, one button to lock all, one button to unlock the driver, 2 clicks to unlock everything else. When we come to using keys in the door locks, I do not like to use fob keys in here at all because, well, the fobs break open and then the pieces fall out on the ground and then the key won't start the van and you end up with a whole bunch of problems. A lot of these straight keys are cut from cheap blanks, brass. If you look at the edge of the key here, you'll see it's brass colored instead of steel. Those keys, those brass keys, will break off in the lock, so beware of that. I've got a link. Message me, I'll send you a link for the eBay seller that has good steel keys. Now if we stick the key into the driver's door and rotate it clockwise one time, that should lock every door in the van. If we rotate it counterclockwise, that only unlocks the driver's door. On the passenger side, either lock should be the same thing. Back doors and passenger door are kind of inverted, you know, they turn the other way, so we got to turn and lock the other way. Back door, we give it a counterclockwise to lock them all. Don't know if you heard that, but it just locked all the doors. Clockwise unlocks the back door. Now, if cleaning those contacts didn't do a good enough job for you, we can get a spray straw in here to lubricate that door latch a little bit. And up and around here in this hole that might have a plug over it. This might have a plate welded in there and you can't get in it on your van, in which case you have to take the door panel off and lubricate all the mechanisms in there, especially that cable going back and forth between the two, between the latch back there and the handle up here. There's a slide cable, kind of like a bicycle cable, but it's a stiffer wire. Lubricate all of that. In these doors we can lubricate here, and I think we've got another video exploring inside the door panel here. Electric window additions is one video, and I know we've got these speaker boxes in another video. Surely one of those talk about how to remove this. Don't forget to take this off. Screws behind here and in there so you can get in to lubricate that. Don't forget to lubricate everything you can here and there for the latch and lock. If you slide some cardboard in here, you won't get oil all over your paint job. And if you use the edge of a soda carton taken apart like this with that folded lip on there, you get it just far enough, you won't get spray all over the inside of your door either. On the back door, again, we've got a little spot to get a straw in there, lubricate in here, take the back panel off if you need to lubricate inside the latch. With all that lubricated, it should start working better. Of course, there's always a chance you got to start replacing parts if a latch doesn't work properly. Good luck. Let me know how it works out for you in the comments below.
Find us on Facebook for more free advice and tips. Follow the profile, Florida Van Man the page, and join the discussion group, Florida Van Man the group. If you find our advice and videos helpful, please be a part of making it all happen. Under the Donate tab of our webpage, you'll find links for PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, and we also take Zelle for one-time donations. Membership includes discounts to our events, early access to all of our videos as soon as they're made, and one-on-one assistance when you need help with your van. In the Facebook group, you'll get views and advice from experts and amateurs from around the world. While you're in the group, please check out the Files section, where you'll find complete code list and service manuals for the North American Sprinters 2004 through 2006 and 2002 to 2003, as well as a few other helpful documents. Please be kind to our friends who have helped us learn along the way. Million Mile Sprinter, SOS Diagnostics, and Williams Diesel have all been key in getting us where we are today. In just a few seconds, you should see a few links, including a couple to our latest videos and one to our Patreon page where you can join a membership and start taking advantage of member benefits while you help support Florida Van Man and keep these videos coming.